I was like, I did about the 15 over here, and I'm gonna do a news update. Yeah, it's been a while since I did a news update. Oh my god. Where? Thank you. But I want to talk about some stuff. Yes, you heard me raging a lot in that Sonic Heroes Let's Play earlier, like probably the spamming Sonic Heroes and stuff. Did I forget that I didn't talk about the finishing Teamwork story? And after that, I actually did the the last boss. That didn't go too well, so I just rage quit and just deleted that recording. And I decided to do a news update thing. So yeah. Okay, well, let's talk about the projects that I've been doing. The Sonic Dumb Riders thing. I still don't know what story I should make. But I'm gonna try to get back to that. Sonic Dumb Riders. I really want to continue back to that series. So, yeah. But, Sonic Zeros. Yeah, that series. I need to get some ideas from that one too. Because those were just like random projects I was just doing so I can just pass the time and all that stuff. But yeah, hopefully I can get enough projects done for that thing. Get those funny series back on. But as far as the other games go, I'm not sure. I had some Metal Gear games too. But I highly doubt getting a good rating from that too, so yeah. But I also have some Need for Speed. I had this Burnout game, but for some reason it don't work. I think I'll upload at least like 2 things that require Burnout. But yeah, that didn't work out. But I do have the DBZ Battle Series still going on. Don't worry, I'm getting back to that as well. So don't worry about it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna be started playing Dragon Ball Z Budokai 3 as well as part of the DBZ series too. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. And Eggman mode, freaking get over here! I'm Super Sonic. You can't eject. Yeah, but I guess that's pretty much what all I had to really say, I mean, it was mostly those projects. Oh yeah, my 3DS haven't even fixed it. All I had to do was just mail it to Nintendo, and then we'll be done. Except for there. I don't know. I probably might get it back during the holiday season, but who knows? But yeah, that's pretty much it. Really? So anyway, I want y'all to enjoy this Let's Play. Wow, news update. Well, that sucks. YOLO! Oh, thank God. Yeah, this is Mectro15 over here and signing out. So, peace.